Welcome back. This is day 7, episode 5. Day 7's theme was home without violence. That morning it was a real twist anyway, because we were going out of the camp. So we were going to a special place outside of our camp in Frankfurt, outside of Frankfurt City, called Kloster AYUDH. So it was used for the Game of Thrones, as far as I know. This is the place, and it's a very, very historic place, and I appreciated it. So literally we had a group picture there, and then the whole talk was with One Humanity, and there was loads of cameras there and so much media, and live streams as well. So if you want to check that out, that's on AYUDH's YouTube channel, which we did back in 2016, but I will leave the links down below so you guys can see that. And that's what we were talking about, One Humanity. So we were talking about victims who had hate, who had bullying, who had other topics where we can change the world, about the environment, about other things, all about human beings coming together, talking about situations, and see how we can change it and how we can inspire, especially us as youth. So then after that we had lunch in Kloster AYUDH. Then we had the no hate speech, which I do in my videos literally every time now on this vlog. So that balloon is for the no hate speech movement, who try and make a change in Germany, like mainly, but in around the world too. So I really admire them for that. I think they should keep going with it, and then I know they will. And it was very interesting to see this little boy who was bullied himself, and he wanted to help others as well, so he made up his own website, and in German of course, but made it up and into his own way to help other people. So I kind of thrived off of that, because at the time I was still in that same situation, but I was trying to move on from it, but still like to talk about it and like to be opened up about it. But I really appreciated him. He was 13, 14. It's nice to see the youth still involved in trying to make the world a better place, no matter what they've been through. So then we drove back to the camp, which is Hofherrenberg. We had break, we had meditation, multicultural singing, and we had dinner and community service. Then we had community building activities. So I think that night we were doing a lot of group activities that were... We were doing a lot of group activities, like we're followed leader, or just a conga line, or like I think it was we do all these types of group activities anyway. Simon says we do all the old ones, but we do it in our own way. It makes a big social impact in the AYUDH community, because you're getting to know each person. So even though there's so many people there, but you're getting to know most of them by participating in these community building games. And the vlog shall start now. I just went to this amazing place, which I love so much, where they had music festivals and different events, but mainly music festivals. Then go visit it in Frankfurt. You'll have a terrific time. And then after that I was tired, I just chillaxed for a while, got to chatting with people, and went to see the horses. Yeah. The horses are pretty cool. They have medical conditions, but if you have patience with them, they will come over to you. You can't just call them over, because they'll be just eating. So these are special horses. They're not the ones that you expect to come up to you, like when you call them. You just they have a sixth sense. They have a connection with you. That's what I learned in my workshop with horses. I'm just chilling up on the balcony of girls' dormitory. There's just one tip if you want to come here. If you're from Ireland like me and you've pale skin, sensitive skin, watch out for sunburns, because if you really can't see that, you can probably see that one. I got burnt really bad. Shoulders always get me. Maybe the face, but definitely 30 or 50 factor. Oh yeah, the dinner is wonderful. As I said, if you're a meat eater, it's fine. You can go down to the shop and get meat. But just don't eat it inside or else you'll get caught. I love it here and it means a lot to me to be here. And you can hear Irish dancing in the background. We have an Irish dancing workshop this year from one of our own in our group, Dean, who's a workshop leader of Irish dancing. And we're just practicing for the Odeon World tomorrow. Say hi to YouTube, guys!
Hey, how's it going? Food is good. Food is good. We're having fun.
It's about AYUDH, so
Awesome.
anything.
We've got a meeting. This is your wife. She knows what she's talking about.
This would be the best week of your life. It will be the best week of your life that you get to come here. This space makes me so happy and so positive and just so inclusive, well included, because maybe most of us on YouTubers, maybe one of us are a bit lonely and we don't get along with our groups of friends, and that's okay. But then when you come here, everyone includes you, everyone accepts you for who you are. No matter what you are, race, religion, maybe they're vegan, celiac, anything. And that's what I like about it here. And they have new things. We're doing selfies, we have new props, we have like new things, except for the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is pretty slow this time, but next year we're going to make it even faster. So if you would like to see similar videos like this, or if this video made you smile, or if you enjoyed this series and if you want me to do more videos like this or other ones, then please comment down below of what you want to see me to do next. You could please smash that like button and those post notifications as well. It would be highly appreciated. I'll see you guys for a double next weekend. Be kind to one another, respect each other, care for one another, and remember, no hates. Here are my friends. If you like card games, do not play this game. They're all playing Meow.
I need to say one.